Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy English by Viren Thakur. In this video we are going to talk about class 9th book Beehive, lesson 7, packing by Jerome K. Jerome. Let's talk about the value points. Three friends, George, Harris and Jerome, are preparing for a journey. They collect necessary articles for journey. इस चैप्टर में तीन फ्रेंड्स जॉर्ज, हैरिस और जेरोम एक जर्नी पे जा रहे होते हैं, तो उससे रिलेटेड जो भी आर्टिकल्स थे, जो भी पैकिंग थी, उसमें काफ़ी बिजी थे. वैसे होता भी यही है, जब हम कहीं घूमने जाते हैं तो वहाँ से रिलेटेड हम अपना रोज़मर्रा का सामान, जो भी चीज़ें हम मनपसंद की अपने पास रखना चाहते हैं, उनको साथ में लेकर जाते हैं. इसलिए पैकिंग तो बहुत ज़रूरी है अगर आप इंजॉय करना चाहते हैं अपनी जर्नी को, ट्रिप को. Author Jerome, who prides himself on his packing, offers to pack the goods. Author Jerome को अपनी पैकिंग एबिलिटी पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्राइड था, इसलिए ऑथर ने अपने आप को ऑफर किया कि मैं ही पैकिंग करूँगा. Both his friends agreed and George sat on an easy chair and Harris put his legs on the table and lit a cigar. Actually, Jerome meant to boss the packing work, instructing his friends. जेरोम अपने फ्रेंड्स को इंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहते थे कि इस तरह से पैकिंग की जाए, बट हिज फ्रेंड्स लेफ्ट द होल वर्क टू हिम एंड रिलैक्स्ड. लेकिन हुआ इससे बिल्कुल उलट. जेरोम को ही सारी की सारी पैकिंग करने के लिए उसके फ्रेंड्स ने छोड़ दिया. देन ही गॉट इरिटेटेड. हाउएवर ही पैक्ड द बैग एंड स्ट्रैप्ड इट. देन हैरिस आस्क्ड इफ he had put the boots in. He did not remember about boots while he was packing. George laughed at him, which angered him more. He opened the bag, packed the boots in, and was going to strap it again. Suddenly he wondered if he had packed his toothbrush, which was very important for him. He unpacked the whole bag and searched for it. Ultimately, it was found inside a boot. He repacked the whole bag again. When he had repacked it, George asked if the soap was packed. Jerome got irritated and said he didn't care, but noticed that he had packed his tobacco pouch in it. He finally packed it at 10:05 p.m. Harris was the worst packer, according to Jerome. Many things like plates, cups, bottles, pies, tomatoes, etc. were to be packed in hampers. With the packing of hampers by George and Harris, an exciting scene started. काफ़ी exciting scene start हुआ, क्योंकि पैकिंग उन्होंने बहुत ही उल्टे पुल्टे अंदाज में की थी. Packing started with breaking of a cup. Strawberry jam was packed on tomato by Harris that squashed it. Tomato was picked out with a spoon. Jerome didn't comment on this, just watched them sitting on the edge of the table. It irritated them and made them nervous and excited. It stuck to him and they searched for it, blaming each other. एक दूसरे को ब्लेम करना उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया कि तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम्हारी गलती है. Arguing and staring at one another, they went around the room searching for it. At last, George found it sticking at the bag of Harris. After getting it off, they packed it in the teapot. Now we have one more character in form of dog in this particular chapter. Montmorency was their naughty pet dog. He was always ready for mischief. He was present where he was not wanted. He put his damp nose in the articles to be packed, put his leg into the jam, thinking lemons as rats. He killed 3 of them. Harris blamed Jerome for encouraging the dog for mischief, but it was his natural habit. At last, packing was completed at 12:50. Harris sat on the big hamper and hoped nothing would be found broken. Due to shortage of beds. They tossed and finally Harris slept with Jerome. Harris wanted to wake up at 7, but Jerome said 6. They finally agreed on 6:30. They asked George to wake them up at 6:30, but he didn't answer. They found that he was asleep. Both the naughty friends put the bathtub where he could tumble into while getting up in the morning. Finally, they went to bed.